In today's video, I will show you why 785 ICP tokens can potentially set you financially free and make you an ICP millionaire. At the time of recording, one ICP token was valued at $3.10, which means that to buy 785 ICP, you will need up to $2,433. Predictions suggest that one ICP could be worth about $50 in the next 5 years, which will mean a lot for early investors. Please note that this is not financial advice, and you should take anything you get here as a primary piece of information that can help you fine-tune your research. The risk is entirely yours if you choose to invest. Before we go into ICP token predictions, let us briefly recap the project. ICP is a relatively new cryptocurrency launched by Dfinity, a team of blockchain developers. The internet computer is a decentralized data structure that aims to power the entire crypto community with its technology. A decentralized cloud storage infrastructure operates on an independent computer network. It incorporates multiple data centers into one central unit and presents a community-based alternative to the current highly centralized internet. In the scientific world, the project's a big deal. My study showed that when the project was making its debut, its team published a series of papers on the solutions provided by ICP. It received the approval of many researchers, including cryptographers, who have amassed about 100,000 scholarly citations and 200 patents. The ICP token, which powers the ecosystem, also drew significant attention to its detail, and that's why the project started at a pretty high value of about $750.73. and remains its highest price so far. The system was so designed that you need only a small amount of this token. To fully comprehend ICP's price potential, it's necessary to examine its historical price performance since its inception. As stated earlier, when ICP launched, it was worth $750 per ICP. This price reflected the value placed on the project's utility, the patented technology that powers it, and the credibility of the foundation that constructed it. As expected, many of its early users commenced a big dump as the rest of the cryptocurrency market began a protracted and painful collapse. In just 2 months, the currency fell to less than $21. It fell even lower, bringing the coin's price down to about $3.60 per ICP, representing a 99% decline from its all-time high. If it had only been about the early investors' dump, the price might have stayed at a few $100s, but the overall negative feeling in the crypto industry did even more damage. Early in 2023, the coin traded at about $7.30 in February, but it dropped off to about $4.14 and has since declined in value to trade at about $3.10 while recording this video. Of course, this slip in value from that level to the current price is due to the ongoing bear market that hasn't passed away yet. However, crypto experts are becoming increasingly optimistic about the upcoming bull market. Expectations are that the coin can trade at some levels above $100. At that point, 785 ICP would be worth about $78,500. One of the reasons I do not doubt ICP's price performance is that the developers have been working to keep ICP functional and ensure that it keeps offering the best that its technology can allow. Since 2022, they have introduced decentralized exchanges like Helix markets, which means that users can now perform DeFi transactions on the network. And DeFi is one of the wildest and most used applications of blockchain technology. Developers can now create smart contracts on the network and over 400,000 smart contracts. This may imply that ICP is finally seeing some real-world applications, and one of the most notable applications I can point to is its use in the Metaverse. The Metaverse applications already built on ICP include Metasport Basketball, D-Squad NFT, and NFT Studio. D-Squad NFT is building an NFT minting machine that users can use in the Metaverse. The Metaverse will require a lot of resources in terms of latency, bandwidth, and overall reliability, which blockchains like Ethereum, Binance Chain, Solana, and Bitcoin unfortunately need to possess. They cannot handle the full scope of the metaverse, where ICP's application in the metaverse makes it the perfect host. The scope of metaverse applications like augmented reality, virtual reality, and 3D constructions are prime examples of features the ICP-powered metaverse can fully adopt. ICP can also orchestrate including artificial intelligence into the metaverse. This can be used to build metaverse avatars that can offer more dynamicism to the metaverse. And other metaverse projects that have become established could begin to look to integrate ICP into their chains to better improve the overall experience of users of their metaverse applications. In the long run, I concur with experts who regard ICP tokens as a valuable long-term investment alternative. ICP's current buying price is a steal at this point, and if you have some spare cash, you can consider buying 785 ICP tokens and hodl them for as long as possible. According to certain forecasts, the price of ICP will return to at least $100 by 2025. Others are leaning more towards what its spruce could be by 2030. It could reach $750 once more, or even $1,000. Depending on how big the ecosystem becomes. Given that it barely remains above the $3 market, the current price level is a good buy-in price. If you wait for the coin to fall to as low as $1 or $2 before buying, you might have to wait a while, because I don't see it happening soon. I believe that the worst of the crypto bearish market is gone, and all the market signs are tending towards a bull run. It just may not happen again this year. It's possible that the coin can do about 10x in the coming bull run, but that depends on how extensive the run is itself. The kind of growth we all need to happen in the crypto market must be one that accumulates over an extensive period of time, and a bull run that goes as long as 6 months will do enough justice to bring profits to those that buy the dip of relevant coins. Indeed, ICP is considerably one of the top coins I think is worth adding to your portfolio, because the time of the meme coins may just be over. The next bull run will be one that favors coins with significant utility like the internet computer. As things stand, ICP has a big bar to clear to reach its all-time high of over $750, and it will most likely take 6 to 8 years. Depending on market dynamics. But if it even reaches $50 by 2025, you are in for a treat. With an increasing adoption rate, ICP's market capitalization is expected to soar massively. Even at the current price, it is valued at $1.39 billion, and as it increases, we are bound to feel it grow in value as well. As appealing as it may sound, safety is paramount. You should conduct your research before purchasing ICP to establish its worth.